Hey, what's up, fellas? My name is Ashmit from Techy. So today, what we are gonna learn is that how to make this basic website into something which scrolls very smoothly when clicked on internal hyperlinks like that. Do this like this. So without wasting any time, let's spread technology. So first of all, what we are gonna do is we are not gonna use any JavaScript. So normally, if you go to any website on the web, Google it how to make a scrolling website, etc. You have to insert this piece of code into your script or into the end of your body, and that is a very long code to learn. So what we are gonna do is replace this with something else. You can either edit your style.css, your CSS file, or your HTML file. I'm gonna show you both ways. So what we're gonna do is close this JavaScript first, and then here is our index.html. What we're gonna do for the first trick, which is inside the HTML, we're gonna go in the HTML tag. Here you can see, and then we will press space, enter the style attribute, and then in the value we will fill scroll behavior smooth. Now let's save it and let's see the output. Here you can see index.html. Let's load it, and here you go. So that is how you do it. Now let me show you another way how you can do it. Suppose you want to keep your HTML file simple and clean. What you can do is go to your style.css, which you have embedded in your link rel. You can just go here, type HTML, then open your brackets, and then type scroll behavior smooth. Save it as is, and then you can just simply go and yep. So that is how you do it without any JavaScript. You can make smooth scrolling animations between interrelated pages and like that. So yeah, if you learned something new with this video, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to Techy, comment down below, and share it with your family and friends who also want to learn this technique. So this was Ashmit Singh from Techy, signing off.